This manual roll press machine is designed for laboratory-scale battery electrode preparation and material research. It is suitable for calendaring electrode sheets, improving electrode density, and optimizing the thickness and surface uniformity of battery materials. With adjustable roller gap, this compact roll press is ideal for lithium-ion battery research, coin cell and pouch cell electrode preparation, and supercapacitor material development.